Hello everyone, my name is Larshay Watson and I work at the Gaston Park Library, and I want to introduce you to a very cool book of mine. But first, I think we need to start this day off with a song.
Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark.
Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark.
Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark.
Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt.
Run away do 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 do. Run away do 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 do. Run away do 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 do. Run away. Safe at last do 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 do. Safe at last do 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 do. Safe at last do 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 do. Safe at last. It's the end do 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 do. It's the end do 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 do. It's the end do 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 do. It's the end.
Hey you guys, my name is Larshay Watson and I am a member of the Gaston Park Library. And I wanted to do some fun activities with you all, as well as read this amazing book that I have read called Counting Our Blessings by Emma Dodd. And I have just really loved this book, and it's basically about counting our blessings, counting all the things that we appreciate and enjoy and love in life. And I want to read this to you all. Is that okay? All right, cool. So, Counting Our Blessings by Emma Dodd. We're counting our blessings one by one. How many will there be? Let's count together, just us two. And very soon, we'll see. A happy family is number one. Number two is a heart full of love. Playing together is number three. 4 is the blue sky above. They're pretty good at counting, don't you think? 5 is the joy of being alive. Look, they're playing with the butterflies. Do you like playing with butterflies? I know I do. Wait a minute, before we go, how many butterflies are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there are 3 butterflies. 6 is your paw in mine. 7 is hearing the rain outside. 8 is the warm sunshine. Just everyone stretch your arms out and just feel the rays of sun. Are you doing it? Are you doing it? I am. Good food to eat is number 9. I don't know about you, but I love good food. Don't you? I'm sure you do. My mom makes the best peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. 10 is your kiss goodnight. And as the day ends, being with you makes everything feel right. We've counted our blessings from 1 to 10, and there are many more to come. But now it's time to close our eyes. Sleep tight, my little one. The end. And again, that was Counting Our Blessings by Emma Dodd. What do you all think? Did you all like that book? I know I do. And it's very important for us to count our blessings. We all have something to be thankful for. Just like on Thanksgiving. You all know Thanksgiving, right? That's a time where we're thankful for everything that we have. And we can do that not only on Thanksgiving, but throughout the year. Speaking of counting, there are some things I would like to count too. Will you mind helping me? You want to help me count things? Really? Okay, come on, let's go. Okay, you guys, so we just read Counting Our Blessings by Emma Dodd, and I want to tell you something that I am very thankful for right now. And that thing is the earth. Because without the earth, where would we be? We wouldn't have a place to call home. And the best way to take care of home is by cleaning up our home. Not just on the inside like your room, but also on the outside, like the outdoors. So you're going to count with me all the pieces of litter and trash that we pick up. And in doing so, you're going to help me take care of our earth. Ready? Let's go. My goodness, there's so much trash already. Let's see how many more we can count. Ooh, look over there. Is that a red bird? Look at that red bird. That is so cool. Ah, how many red birds are there? It's just one, huh? Hey, red bird. I think he's gone. I think he's leaving. Okay, let's go. Whew. You know what, guys? Guys, I have to tell you, I am so thankful that you all are helping me right now, because if you weren't helping me, I don't think I could get all this stuff so far. But have you been counting how many we've had so far? I hope so, because we're gonna do a grand total at the end, okay? All right, keep on helping me. Guess what, guys? Guess what? It's time for a dance break. It's enough of that now. It's time to get back to work. I forgot my water. Do you have any water you can give me? You do? You have water? Can you put it through the screen? What do you mean you can't give me any water through the screen? Just try it. Just put the water through the screen. Go ahead. No? You sure? Are you positive? Okay. We're gonna keep on collecting trash. Just drink water for me, and I will fill it. Okay? We're gonna keep on going. Okay? You ready? Okay. I think we're almost done, you guys. I found one more. I think. You guys, I think you did it. I think you cleaned up my entire neighborhood, okay? I am thoroughly convinced. I will see you all back at headquarters. Whoosh. Whew. Man, I really thank you. I am very grateful that all of you cleaned up litter with me. Now, let us get our grand total out. You ready? And the grand total is, hold on, wait. What's the number? Just guess. So is that it? Are you sure that's it? Oh, okay. So I'm gonna compare your number to my number, and we're gonna figure out what the answer is. Okay, you ready? All right. And I'm gonna try to think of it in my head. You ready? Okay, the number should appear here. Okay, my answer is a trillion. Am I right? What? Are you sure it's not a trillion? It has to be a gabillion. It has to be. This is the number? Are you sure? Okay, I trust you. You're better at counting than I am. Okay, well, it doesn't matter. Because we have cleaned up together. We care about the earth. We care about our home, just like your parents care about you and take care of you, which means we have to take care of where we live. And I really thank each and every one of you for cleaning up with me, helping me on today, and dancing with me too. You guys are great dancers, by the way. But before I go, I want to sing a song for you, okay? And if you know it, sing it with me. You ready? So long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now until we meet again. So long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now until we meet again. So long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now until we meet again. Take care, you all.